move in locking. Today we're going to learn about it. It's very easy. But the trick in the point is that when you point in locking, you bring it up to your chest first to give you that clean look. So notice the difference between if I do that or if I bring it up to my chest and then I point. Secondly, you should use your knee when you point to give it that funky feel. So usually the same knee will, on the same side of the point will go up. So it's just you go up on the ball of your foot, so you get that bend in your knee. So if I point to the right, I'll usually bend my right knee either up or to the side, but it's up to you. You can add variations. You can use left knee or both knees if you want to be like MJ. Now let's practice a little short combination to get you used to pointing. What it will be is just you first point to the left, back down, point to the right, back down. This is your left and your right, by the way. And you point forward with your left hand, back down, point forward with your right hand, back down, point both hands, lean back, and then back down, point, crisscross with your right hand or your left down to the ground. So, you ready? Alright, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, forward, forward. 2, and 2 down. Alright, that's good. So just practice that a little bit, and when you're ready, let's do it to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.